Hello and welcome to the Alumni Association tutorial videos. In this video, we will give you an overview of how to log into your account here at the Alumni Association website, as well as use it to do some interesting things like connect with alumni, sign up for events, and donate very seamlessly. So to begin with, we will go to our website, lusmaa.org. That's lusmaa.org. And the website will appear like so. On the top right hand panel, you'll see this button that says login. You're going to click on that button. If you're on a cell phone, it will look something like this. You'll have to touch on the human icon and click the word login. So when we click the word login, it will open a page like this. You'll use your email here to sign in, or if you created your account using Facebook, Google, or LinkedIn, you'll use one of these three, but most people use their email. This will allow you to log in without a password. So if you submit, there will be a code emailed to you. The email you get will look something like this. Here is the code. We're just going to copy it, and you can right click and click copy, and we can close this down and we'll right click and hit paste. Or you can just remember the number and write them down and put it in here, and you're going to click submit. This will allow you to log in to your website. If you haven't got an account already, it may prompt you to go to a registration page, in which case we will guide you through the registration process, and then your identity will be verified before you're allowed access to your profile. But since in this case we already have a login that works, we're going to now go to profile or update profile. Profile will just show what we have here. So this is our profile. This is what we have put in here. So first, a couple of things. Up on the top left, if you are a member of the Alumni Association, you will have a badge. That will allow you access to the alumni directory. You can also update preferences so that you can help students and other alumni. To update your profile, you can click the word update profile, or at the top of the page, also update profile. This will allow you to fill different details about yourself, including a change of address, date of birth, and you can also make them visible to other people to find you or only visible to you. So this is how you change your home address. You can add your office address, and here are some of the preferences that you could do to give back. You also have the ability to put your spouse's name in, and you can also have communication preferences. If you only wish to get emails, you could go paperless. You could edit your degree if it's incorrect, as far as when you entered and exited Loma Linda. Your specialties, if you have any. Your non-medical education qualifications. Your employment, and your society. Once you have done updating all of these, you can click Save Changes, and these will become visible on your profile. And the Save Changes button is on the bottom right hand side of the page. Another thing you can see is similar. This will show you people who are similar to you. In this case, in our test, we have the class of 1990. So it will show me the members of people in 1990. So that's a quick way of finding people. If we look at giving history, you can see everything that you've donated to. And if you need a quick receipt for something that you've donated to, you can click Email me a receipt. This applies mostly to things that are done online. So if you have an online donation, it will apply there. And if you click Email a receipt, you'll see that it will be emailed to you. And the email will look something similar to this. And you can use this for your tax receipts. So now that you've all logged in, we're going to use our feature here, which if you're a paid member of the Alumni Association, either an annual or perpetual, you can search the alumni directory. This allows you to find other classmates or other people in your area. For example, if I type in the word New York, and we hit search, you can see all the alumni who are living in New York. Likewise, if I type the word Kettering, we can see the alumni who are currently working in Kettering. Each of these alumni have a page that you can click on. You can see more information about this alumni and what they want to share with you. Another thing you can do on our website is browse events. And on events, you can register for upcoming alumni trips. So upcoming event, let's say we use this Boise one, we click on it. You can view an event and register. If you like what you see, you can click register and it will automatically, if you're logged in, have all your information filled out. That's one of the beauties of logging in. You do not have to fill this information out again. Likewise, if you go into this page back here and we want to make a donation, it's the same thing. If you make a donation while logged in, all your information will be inputted. Not only that, if you're logged in and you make a donation, again, it will appear on your profile in the tab that shows giving history. So that will be a quick way for you to access your donation receipts and your donation records in the Alumni Association. Lastly, if you have selected one of these preferences, students are able to find you and you can support them. So in this case, I have received messages from students. Well, when the students look for general support and they look for receive message from students, they can search alumni and then they can find me in here because I have clicked on receive messages from students. And so they can find me easily and reach out to me for help. That concludes the benefits of having a profile at the Alumni Association and updating it. If you have any questions, please contact us at lusmaa@lou.edu. Thank you and have a lovely day.